Galaxy Tab is not a top-tier tablet among Samsung's widescreen offerings, but it features a great camera for the price. The camera hardware isn't very impressive, but it gets the job done. In fact, the camera is just as trustworthy as those found in top Galaxy phones. However, just like any camera, this tablet may have issues for a variety of reasons. If your Galaxy Tab camera keeps crashing and you're not sure why, this troubleshooting tip may come in handy. A simple way to fix issues is by refreshing the device. Make sure that you restart the tab and see if it will fix the camera issue. Camera problems can sometimes be identified by a specific error number or message. Take note of any errors that appear when you try to start the camera app if you are unable to utilize it. Then, conduct a Google search to check if there is an online remedy for a specific issue. Restarting a problematic app has long been a standard Android option. If your Galaxy Tab camera keeps stopping for no apparent reason, this should be one of the first things you do. Here's how to force close the camera app. Open Settings app. Tap Apps. Find and tap the app. Tap Force Stop. If you can launch the camera app normally, you may be able to resolve the issue by resetting the app's settings. Here's how it's done. Open Camera app, tap Setting icon, scroll down to the bottom and tap Reset Settings. Tap Reset to confirm. Clearing the cache is another option to resolve your camera issue. The camera app on Samsung smartphones may occasionally have issues owing to damaged cache. Consider the following procedures to guarantee that the camera's cache is operational. Go to the home screen, tap Apps icon, open Settings app, tap Apps. If you're looking for a system or default app, tap on More options at the upper right. Select Show System Apps, find and tap Camera. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache button. Check for the problem. If cleaning the cache doesn't work, try clearing the app's data to restore its default settings. Some app issues may only be resolved by altering a few lines of code. If your Galaxy Tab camera keeps pausing, this might be due to inefficient programming. Check for an app update to resolve the issue. If Samsung is aware of the issue, an update may already be available. It is simple to update the default camera app. Here's how it's done. Open Camera app, tap Settings icon. Scroll down to the bottom and tap About Camera. Tap Update. If there's no update button, that means the app is running the latest version. Some apps may necessitate the use of default system apps and services. If some of these basic applications stop operating, apps that rely on them may malfunction. Follow these steps to verify that default applications are enabled. Open Settings app. Tap Apps. Tap on More settings at the upper right. Select Reset App Preferences. Restart your tab and check for the problem. Support third-party app is one of the reasons why an Android device or app misbehaves. Restart your device in safe mode to see whether you installed a badly written app. All third-party apps will be suspended while in safe mode. If the camera app functions normally in safe mode, you can assume it's a third-party app. To enter the device into safe mode, follow these steps. Press and hold the power key. When power options appear, tap in the power off option until safe mode appears. Tap Safe Mode and wait until it finishes restarting to safe mode. Third-party programs are blocked in this mode, so you can only utilize pre-installed apps. Uninstall the software you just installed and see if it helps. After you uninstall an app, restart the phone to normal mode and check for the problem. If your Galaxy Tab still keeps stopping on normal mode but works on safe mode, repeat steps again. Camera failures can develop as a result of a software issue. and standard debugging may not be effective. The final step you may take to see if the problem is fixable on your level is to do a factory reset. As the name implies, this will reset the software to its default settings and delete everything that was not included in the original software package. A factory reset is frequently useful in resolving difficulties caused by software. Here's how to do it. Create a backup of your personal data and remove your Google account. Open Settings app, scroll to and tap General Management. Tap Reset. Select Factory Data Reset from the given options. Read the information, then tap Reset to continue. Tap Delete All to confirm action. That's it. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it if you can leave a like, subscribe to our channel, or share this video to your friends. This can greatly help in making sure that Google's algorithm can find and recommend this video to others.